Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up push notifications for JotForm apps. This is a fantastic way to keep your users engaged and instantly notify them about important updates, form submissions, or any activity within your app. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to JotForm.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. This will bring you into your JotForm dashboard where you can manage all your forms and apps. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Apps. This section houses all the apps you've created or are managing through JotForm, making it easy to organize and customize them according to your needs. From your list of apps, locate the specific app you want to set up push notifications for. Once you've found it, click on the Edit button. This will open up the app editor where you can make various changes and adjustments to how your app functions and appears to users. At the top of the editor screen, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Settings tab. This is where all the important configuration options for your app are housed, from basic settings to advanced features like the push notifications we're working on today. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left side menu. You'll see various options listed there. Find and select Push Notifications. This section is specifically designed to help you configure how and when notifications are sent to your app users. The first thing you'll need to do here is toggle the Enable Push Notifications option to On. This activates the push notification feature for your app, allowing you to send real-time alerts to users who have your app installed on their devices. Now that push notifications are enabled, you'll need to customize what your notification will say. In the field labeled Notification Title, type in the title for your push notification. This should be clear and attention-grabbing, as it's the first thing users will see when the notification pops up on their device. Next, move to the Notification Content field and type in the message you want to send. This is where you can provide more details or context about what the notification is regarding. Make sure your message is concise but informative enough to prompt the desired action from your users. Once you've entered both your title and content, click the Send button. This will deliver your push notification to all users who have your app installed and have notifications enabled on their devices. And that's it. You've successfully set up and sent push notifications for your JotForm app, giving you a direct line of communication with your app users. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.